Guys, Love and Code is here. New advice for you about creating a post into our YouTube channel. Guys, so we have two types here. We go on my first type. First we have to go into our account, then you go and click any type of video what you want. This is the video what I choose about how to type a location. I click the share, click the create post above here. So here we go, we were inside. Then you can, before you write anything, write your account first. This is my name, I will write it. Then after you once it's done, then I will write any word what I want. I can put a sticker or anything what I want. Once it's finished, then we will press the OK. Once it's done, then let's go to search if it upload the post or not. We will go into our account, then we have to press the community. This is the video what I do just before love and relationship. Then I wrote hello, how to tag a location. We were inside of community. So this is the second. YouTube gave us three types: a video, a poll, and image. Video, you can search any video what you want. If you want friend to vote, like or comment or some word, then you will write on the poll about it. Some image, then you will do the image. Once it's done everything, then you will press the OK. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and that will be helpful for you whenever you upload any post into our video. But remember, you should reach 1000 subscribers, then you can post any video, any image, and any voting into your account.